Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I want to start some videos on how to improve your Excel skills, and especially just navigating around through Excel, just to improve your speed and efficiency. And really, it's what I'm about to show you is probably one of the simplest things you can do. It takes practice and repetition for you to start to learn all of these shortcuts. And what I'm going to show you is basically how to see all the hotkeys pop up in Excel. And so this will start to train you from switching back and forth from the keyboard and mouse. And it is very simple. It is literally just the Alt key on your keyboard. As you can see, if you just press the Alt key, you don't have to hold it down. It populates every hotkey in Excel. For example, if you want to go home, you next just click the H. You don't have to hold it down. If you hit H, you'll see that all the hotkeys then open up for all of the applicable options you have under the Home tab. And so if you go back by hitting the Escape key, you can see if next you go to Insert. One of my favorite ones is just whatever data you have in Excel table, Alt, NT. Very simple to create a table. You don't have to right click, and to be honest with you, I really don't know how to, other than going to click insert in table. I don't know any other shortcuts because I just simply have used the Alt key for so long that it's ingrained in me because I work with Excel every day. And so this video, I just wanted to introduce that. Over the next coming days, I'm going to create a video for each hotkey shortcut that I have found to be most useful and that I use on a day-to-day basis, and that hopefully you can take this with you in your working career or personal life. As you can see, most of my videos are doing our personal finances. I use this all the time. It is a great time saver and just makes you much more effective and efficient in Excel. So leave me a comment, hit the like button for me, please. And if you like my videos, please subscribe so that you can be alerted to the future ones, my future videos. So hope everybody has a great day.